What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set save screenshot format to JPG or PNG in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, click on screenshots and screen recordings. Now in screenshots section, tap on format. So here you have two options, JPG and PNG. If you want to set the screenshot format to PNG, then tap on the second option. And if you want to set the screenshot format to JPG, then tap on the first option. So that's how you can set save screenshot format to JPG or PNG in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.